There's a boy, and this one's a boy, and there's a little girl. Yeah. Are you gonna get out and walk around? Say, you gonna get out and walk around? Hi. Hi. They're starting to eat. Hey, babies. Hi. Hi. Here. Hi. 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 And we got the wild crew. Oh boy, you got my socks. The wild crew. Yes, look at him. Here. No, wait. Someone peed on a balance board. Yeah, we don't want them stepping in it. They a wild crew this morning. That's right. That's right. Good morning, everyone. I put the poodle puppies in for just, listen, y'all getting a little bit on the wild side. Those are Marbles, little black poodle puppies. Actually, they're black phantom. Yeah, look at there. For just a minute. Because the wild crew might get a little rowdy. That's right. Well, the poodle puppies are doing pretty good. Well, they were. Hey. I know, you're bigger. But that one made it up on the steps. Hey, baby. Come here. You want to get in the bed? You want to get in the bed? Say, come here. Yeah, I got to redo my wall, don't I? Yes, I do. I got to redo my wall. That's a pile of puppies. They are gorgeous. Yes, they are. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. Here, let's put this back the way it was. There we go. So we hope y'all have a great Monday morning. We are having a lot of fun today, right? That's right. These are Pebbles maltipoo puppies, and Marbles poodle puppies, and Reese's maltipoo puppies, and Stormy's two little maltipoo puppies. The two tan ones right there. That's right. Okay. All right. Now I see you. That ain't gonna happen. I know. You think that's a lot of fun. Come here, baby. All right. Okay. The older one's picking on the little ones. That's right. We can't let that happen. Like I said, I hope y'all have a great day. Puppies are all looking great.